Hi and welcome to this month's meditation, which is the Expanding Awareness meditation. When we're stressed, we tend to have quite a narrow field of focus. And this is because we're in survival mode. The fight or flight response is activated, our sympathetic nervous system is activated. And this is so that we are scanning our environment to keep us safe, and that's why our field of focus is quite narrow. However, when we're in survival mode, we are drawing from our electromagnetic field, which is the field that surrounds our body, and our brain waves are really high frequency. So when we consciously expand our awareness, this helps to slow the brain waves right down, calming the mind. It also helps to boost our electromagnetic field, and it brings the parasympathetic nervous system back into alignment with the sympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system is our rest and digest system. And this is really important because the autonomic nervous system can't work effectively when it's out of kilter with one or other of the sympathetic or the parasympathetic overly activated. Now, the reason it's really important to activate our rest and digest system is because if you think about it, if we are constantly in fight or flight, constantly preparing to run away, fight or hide, we can't do any of the things that you wouldn't want to be doing if you were having to run away, fight or hide, such as learning or healing or procreating or being creative. So that's why it's so important to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, bring our autonomic nervous system into alignment so that we can heal and learn and grow and create and make babies and do all those wonderful things. And expanding our awareness consciously in meditation is a great way to do that. So sitting in a nice, comfortable position, rolling back your shoulders, softening the shoulders, and as you take a nice, smooth breath in, lowering your gaze or closing down your eyes, whatever feels comfortable for you to do. We're going to start off by bringing our awareness to our breath. Wherever you notice the breath most naturally, and following the breath in and out of the body. Watching the ebb and flow of each breath with the rise and fall of your body as you breathe in and out. As you sit in stillness and in silence, just notice how your breathing starts to naturally slow down, becoming smoother and deeper. And then bring your awareness to your feet. If you wish, you can place your feet on the floor, or just imagine your feet connecting to the earth beneath you. And gently drawing in that grounded earth energy up through your feet, through your legs, into your torso, noticing as you go any tightness or tension you may want to release. Continue drawing that grounded energy up through your torso to your heart, giving your heart a nice hit of grounded earth energy, and then allowing the energy to continue up through your chest, your neck, out through the crown of your head. And if you notice any tension anywhere in your body as you move up, gently release it. And now expanding your awareness beyond your body to the room in which you're sitting. Notice any noises in the room. Maybe there's a clock ticking, the whir of a fan on a computer. Maybe it's really quiet and you become aware of that stillness and silence and the gentle buzz of the silence. Try not to judge whatever you become aware of. Meet it with a kindful acceptance or even a playful curiosity. As you gently expand your awareness into the room in which you're seated. And when you're ready, gently expanding your awareness beyond the room in which you're seated, into the home or the building in which this room resides. Noticing any noises beyond the room in which you're seated. Maybe you can hear the voices of people elsewhere in the house. Or maybe there's a clock in another room you can hear ticking. The hum of the fridge. Just bringing a kindful awareness to whatever you discover. Accepting the noises without judgment or criticism. And if it's peaceful and quiet, enjoying the silence and the stillness. Gently expanding your awareness beyond the building or your home to the noises outside. Maybe you can hear traffic travelling along the road outside, a plane flying overhead, maybe even dogs barking, people talking. Just becoming aware of the sounds of life going on beyond this building. Accepting whatever you discover without judgment, without criticism. Maybe even bringing a sense of childlike wonder to whatever it is that you hear. And then gently expanding your awareness beyond the street into your immediate vicinity and locality. Can you hear any noises beyond your street? Traffic far in the distance. Maybe even sirens. reminding you of whatever may be going on beyond your road. Maybe you can't hear anything, and you can just imagine what may be happening in your locality. And then gradually increasing your awareness to the whole of your country, the whole of the country that you're in. Just becoming aware of whatever may be going on beyond your immediate vicinity. Of course, you probably can't hear it, but just expanding your awareness. And gently allowing that awareness to grow beyond the country you're in, to the whole of the planet. You may like to imagine you're looking down at the planet, watching the beautiful blues and the clouds as you become aware of the planet resting in space. And then continuing to expand your awareness, almost as though you're part of a film crew, gently expanding back into the infinity of space. As you see our beautiful planet become smaller and smaller, and the vastness of space expanding beyond the planet. You may wish to keep expanding this out, as if you're watching the galaxy and then the many galaxies of the whole universe. As you keep expanding your awareness into the infinity of space. Noticing the vastness of space and the space beyond that space, into the infinity of space. Gently resting your awareness on this space. Noticing a sense of calm that starts to settle on you. And then slowly and gradually bringing your awareness back to the planet as it starts to become bigger in your field of vision. Centering back down into the country, the town you're in, the building you're in, and bringing your awareness back to the room that you're in. to your body in the room and to your breath. And when you're ready, gently bringing some movement to your fingers and toes. Maybe you wish to rotate the shoulders backwards and forwards as you bring your awareness back to your body in this time and this space. And when you're ready, gently opening your eyes to the room.